In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add long service leave in Xero, 5 minutes. Let's get started inside Xero. Open the Xero login page, choose login, and enter your secure email and password. If you use multi-factor authentication, complete that step to protect your account. Click login again to continue. Once you're in, you should land on the dashboard for the correct organization, which you'll see at the top of the screen. From the main navigation, head to payroll. This is where you manage employees, pay runs, and leave entitlements. Next, open employees to see your list of staff. Find and select the employee you want to update. It helps to confirm you're in the right profile by checking details like their employment status and pay cycle so your leave settings align correctly. Inside the employee profile, go to the Leave tab. This tab is where all entitlements and balances live. Choose Assign Leave Type to add a new entitlement to this employee's record. You'll see a list of available leave types configured for your organization. Select Long Service Leave. If you don't see it, your payroll settings may need to be adjusted by an admin so the leave type is available to assign. With Long Service Leave selected, choose the calculation method based on ordinary earnings on leave. This method pays the employee their ordinary rate while on leave and is commonly used, but always confirm it matches your organization's policy, award, or local legislation. Now enter the hours of leave accrued. This figure usually comes from your HR records, employee service history, or any prior system you migrated from. Be precise, as this sets the foundation for accurate balances. Next, enter the number of hours that define a full-time pay period for this employee, such as their standard weekly hours if you pay weekly, or per pay cycle if you pay fortnightly. This helps Xero calculate and display the balance in a way that reflects your pay schedule. If the employee already has a balance earned before setting this up in Xero, add the opening balance. Use an as of date consistent with when you started tracking payroll in Xero, so reports and future accruals line up properly. When everything looks correct, click Save. Xero will store the entitlement and it will be available for future accruals and when you record leave taken in pay runs. That's it. You've added long service leave for your employee. Review the setup periodically to keep it aligned with policy changes and always check your region's rules to ensure compliance.